This hair is so amazing. Everyone, Miss me, I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this video. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to tell you all about this unit from the company Celie Hair. They are partnering with me for this video. I'm super excited to show you all how I install and style this beautiful curly unit. It is their human hair 13x6 lace front curly wave wig. It comes pre-plucked and it also does have baby hair and the knots are bleached. Really quickly, I did bleach the knots again myself off camera. If you want me to do an in-depth video showing you all how I've learned how to bleach knots, as well as I did pluck the hair a little bit more too. Let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think of curly hair. Do you like curly hair? Do you like straight hair? And of course, check out Celie Hair. I will link everything in the description box down below. Make sure you check them out. Thank you so much. Now let's jump right into this tutorial. Okay, so jumping right into it. Sorry if you hear the fan in the background. It is super hot in this room. It's summertime here, so I got the fan on because I don't want to be burning up in here while I'm filming. So my wig cap is already on. I already pushed it back a little bit. I cleaned my hairline with some alcohol just so it could, I had gotten foundation on it and I need the spray that I'm using to adhere. So cleaned my forehead with some rubbing alcohol, dried it out, but that's all I had at the moment. So just putting foundation on the wig cap. All right, that should be good. Now I'm going to get this beautiful unit. It is so soft, you guys. So incredibly soft. I'm gonna place it on. I already did some customizing off camera. I bleached the knots and I also cut the lace off just so it saved me time and because I need to work on it. And I plucked it a little bit as well, not too much because it already came pre-plucked, but I just plucked it just to see. Ooh, this is gonna look so good when I do this down. Oh yes. Now I also have to cut the ear tabs because I didn't cut them since I didn't measure them yesterday to cut it off. So I'm gonna cut those and then I'm gonna speed it up and then come back when I'm getting ready to lay the hair. It is super soft, as I mentioned. This is how it looks. I'm gonna wet it because I think it's gonna look more beautiful when it's wet, but we'll see. As a matter of fact, let me cut the ear tabs now. Get this side first. My ears right here. So this has to this side. Perfect. That's right there. Okay, so now I'm gonna lay the lace with this Wig Dealer melting spray. It's ultra hold. I'm gonna lay it down and I'm gonna get a scarf and put it on the front here just to make sure it adheres. I'm gonna do section by section. So the first section I'm going to do is the front, and then I'm gonna do the left and then the right. And I'll also speed this part up as well. Now I'm gonna get something to hold this down for the next 15-20 minutes and be right back. Okay, so I unstuck where some of the hair got mixed in with the glue, obviously, and I just very gently took this brush and just very gently brushed the hair around the edges or the hairline out, and I think it just looks stunning. Like, can you see this? Like, do you see? Like, this is like, it looks like my own hairline. Like, it looks stunning. I absolutely love it. And I'm getting better at laying wigs, y'all. Anyways, so now, I don't know, I think I'm gonna put just a little bit of baby hairs here and here, and then I'm gonna probably tie it back down for a little bit, and then just, that's it. And then I think that'll be the end of this. So for baby hairs, let me just get this. Like this on this side. Here's my clip. Now I'm not a baby hair pro, but I've been watching some videos. I think it should. This, some of my edge control. Swoop the edges. And then I'm gonna also put it back to dry. And I think that's good. They always say take your time with baby hair because, you know, it pretty much makes the whole look. I think that's good enough. I don't want it to be too much. But I do want to give the appearance of a natural hairline. That's what I think. They are good for. I could even cut them more, but I want them to kind of like mix with the hairline. So I could just look like that. On this side, maybe like here. Too dramatic. I think that should. Now I'm gonna finish up the baby hairs, and then I'm going to come back and show you all what it looks like right after I'm done. So this is how it looks dry. I mean, it is just stunning and gorgeous. Now this kind of hairstyle isn't for me because it's too like big and poofy, but I'm sure it might be for somebody. But I'm gonna like wet it. I'm gonna wet the entire hair and then see how it looks when it's wet. And I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when it's wet. You cannot tell me that this hair is not flawless and stunning. Like, you just cannot tell me. It looks amazing. Of course I wet it, just like I said I would, and it just looks stunning. I applied foundation to my forehead just so that all my makeup blends together, and I just think this hair looks amazing. So let me just wrap up this video. All in all, Celie hair, I absolutely love your hair. It's been amazing. It's been so easy, so simple to style. It helped a lot that the hair came pre-plucked as well as the knots bleached. I mean, I did bleach the knots myself as well, but I just think that adds to how natural and realistic the hairline looks. I just absolutely love this hair. I highly suggest you check them out. I will link everything in the description box down below. Thank you so much, Celie Hair, for partnering with me for this video. I've had an absolute blast styling this unit. This unit was amazing. I will link everything down below, and that is it for this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, me, as well as my brand, The Luxe Princess, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I do upload 3 days a week, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. And that is it for this video. Thank you all so much, and I will check you all out very soon. Bye guys.